As a junk food eating non-vegan, I used to love the sugary, sweet deliciousness that is a key lime pie. I thought as a healthy vegan, eating the whole foods, I'll never get to taste that again. Well, lo and behold, I can. My lovely Gemma behind the camera, she developed one for our Virtuous Vegan Desserts cookbook, and it's just healthy whole foods ingredients. Check it out. For the base, you need 230 grams of dates, 110 grams of walnuts, 50 grams of desiccated coconut, and a pinch of salt. This is optional. For the filling, 120 mils of almond milk, 150 grams of silken tofu, 190 grams of cashews, and 180 grams of dates. Also 200 grams of avocado, which is about 2 avocados, the zest from 1 lime, 100 mils of lime juice, roughly 4 limes, and 1/4 teaspoon of chlorella powder for colouring. First we'll make the base. Obviously check all your dates for stones, we've done that already. So we're going to add the first lot of dates in there, plus your walnuts, desiccated coconut and salt. And blend until crumbly. Line the bottom of a round 6-inch springform pan with parchment paper. The way I do it is to put the paper on the bottom there, press it, and now I can just cut round the inner circle. I've handed the reins over to Gemma for this part as she's a bit more experienced at it.
So we want to push it in really firmly and also a little bit,
oh yeah,
a little bit out the sides, maybe by 1 inch or 2.
For the filling, simply add everything else into the blender and mix until smooth. Make sure that with the avos you really get all the dark green flesh which is closest to the skin, as this is where most of the antioxidant action is to be had. So we're going to whiz it up smooth. You may need your blender's tamper because the mixture is going to be pretty thick. Again, Gemma's taken over this part because I've got big, stupid hands.
I didn't do it.
Scrub-a-dub-dub. Time for some grub.
Don't film my cleaning up skills.
What cleaning up skills?
So we've decided we're going to add some lemons and some limes on the top to decorate it. That's done it. Take it out of the freezer and allow it to sit for 15 minutes. It's time to decorate. Just release it from its prison first of all.
It's icy prison.
Oh, look at that.
Store any leftovers in the freezer for up to 1 month. Not that there's going to be any. It's a hard life being a YouTuber, I'll tell you. This recipe is super sweet and delicious. You wouldn't believe you're eating healthy, whole plant foods. Click the link below for our online coaching, nutrition course and recipe books, and I'll see you in the next video.